Have you ever worked with your thesis or maybe manuscript for publication? You've already installed MS Word plugin, but checking on the references on your Microsoft Word, you did not see the Mendeley's plugins. Hello, you're welcome to Science Array with Glory Valentine. Today we will learn how to reactivate Mendeley's plugin in Word documents. Let's get started. It may happen that you are working on a manuscript and you want to insert citation. Already you have installed Mendeley Desktop and also MS Word plugin. Clicking on references you have not seen Mendeley. Open Mendeley, insert citation or insert bibliography. So what you need to do is to confirm in your Mendeley's if you still have MS Word plugins. So go to Mendeley Desktop, click on Tools. Here, it simply means that you have already installed MS Word plugin. Why is Mendeley not showing here? So what you need to do is to go to File, then the last here shows Option. Click on Options. You'll see Word option. You go to where it says Add Hints. Click on Add Hints, and at the end of this Add Hint, you'll see Manage Add In. This is just like a default. So you need to click on this arrow for more options. From there, you go to where you have Word Add In. Click on Word Add In and then click Go. This opens automatically. If you can see here, I already installed Mendeley plugin, but it's not been checked. So if you have this, what you need to do is to check. Click here and it checks. And then you click OK. It will be automatically here. But maybe for some reasons, you don't even see it here. So what you need to do is to click on Add. Go to where it says Local Disks. From Local Disks, go to your Program Files, (x86). But it also depends on operating system. If you click on Program Files and you have not seen it, it simply means it's here. So double click on Program File (x86) and then scroll to where you have Mendeley Desktop. Here it is. Double click on it, and from there, when you scroll, it happens to be the last here, Word plugins. Double click on Word plugin. Here it comes, Mendeley. Click on Mendeley, then click on Open. If you can see, it has checked automatically. So what you need to do is to click on OK. So here it is. It shows Open Mendeley. We want to insert citation, but now at least we have seen that Mendeley is here. So what you need to do is to click here, Enable Content. Click on it once, and here it is, Insert Citation. So let's insert our citation here. Click on Insert Citation. Here it says go to Mendeley, and then you will see Cites. Click on Cites here. That is how to reactivate MS Word plugins. you for watching.